Hi, Michelle here from Straw-Bearie Designs, and today I wanted to show you just a quick Dollar Tree haul. So I went to a Dollar Tree in Austin instead of the one close to where I live, and I picked up some floral stems. Gonna add them to my window boxes to just add a touch of fall. And I also got a couple of garlands to add to those as well. And then I picked up some Band-Aids. So I got myself some Despicable Me Band-Aids, and I got some waterproof Band-Aids because I'm planning on going swimming this weekend and I need to cover a cut. I decided that I need some prizes for my middle schoolers, so I found these erasers. Gonna start building a little treasure box that's middle school level. So I also got some glow bracelets for that. And those all seem a little girly, so I got some just pencil topper erasers because those are always very handy to have. And, oh, another thing of glow bracelets. And so I found this. This is a pineapple bath bomb, and so that's going to be a present for my niece. I found this really pretty aqua scarf. And then I found this breast cancer awareness scarf that I'm going to give to a coworker who is a breast cancer survivor. And then the thing that I'm most excited about is I found these carpet squares. They already have the padding on them, and I got a light gray and a dark gray, and I'm gonna mix and match them. And the only thing that I'm regretting is that I didn't buy every single one that I found. I only bought 6, thinking about maybe put them in my laundry room, and now I'm thinking I just want them in my bedroom and I would need a whole bunch more. So I may try to see if my Dollar Tree has some of those or not. It's probably one of those things that I'm never gonna find again, but I'm gonna try. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up, like, and subscribe. And until next time, have a great day crafting and shopping away.